I'm in my bag, bitch. I'm on your ass, bitch. Bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. I can't be fucked with, no, with, no. I can't be fucked with, no, with, no. You can't touch this, hey, bitch, I be rich.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed a brow tutorial for you guys, so let's just go ahead and get into it. So I'm gonna start off brushing through my brows. And now I'm just gonna go in with my Elmer's glue stick, and this is the clear one. Now I'm just running that glue stick through my brows, and I'm gonna take my spoolie again to flatten out those brow hairs. So now I'm just repeating this step one more time. So you're gonna go ahead and do this twice, okay? Now I'm taking the spoolie, combing through my eyebrows again. And now I'm just gonna take the spoolie and shape the top of my brow. Okay, so now I'm just gonna fill in my brows a little bit using my Morphe eyebrow pencil in the color Java. I really like the natural look, so I'm just gonna be filling in the sparse areas. I'm using light flicking motions when filling in my brows to keep those hair-like strokes. And it doesn't matter if it's looking a little messy right now because we're gonna clean it up with concealer after. Now you're just gonna take some concealer on a flat brush. I'm just using my Morphe M432 brush, and you're just gonna go ahead and carve out the bottom of your brows. Now you can use any blending brush. I'm going to be using my Morphe E22 brush, and I'm just going to blend out that concealer, and we are finished.